Green Kitchen. We're here with Heart of the Home, and I'm going to show you guys a delicious summertime salad that is great at the end of summer. We're going to be doing some watermelon. It's going to have some lime juice, some brown sugar, some fish sauce, garlic, little Thai chilies, and some cilantro and mint. Lots of ingredients going on, so we're going to get started on that. We're going to take our garlic and chop it along with these spicy peppers. Now when you use these little bird's eye peppers, they're difficult to seed. I actually would not even try to take the seeds out, but I also tend to like it spicy. When you get this recipe, if you don't like it spicy, then feel free to leave the peppers out. You can certainly omit them. I personally think it needs it, but that's up to me. So we're just going to chop our garlic and our peppers here together. If you have a small food processor, you're certainly welcome to use that to do the chopping for you. I don't have one of those handy today, so we're just going to do a big chop of our own. All right, we're going to add the garlic and the pepper to our mixing bowl. And then we're going to come back and finish chopping our cilantro and our mint. And you can chop those leaves together. There's no reason not to. It's all going into the same dish. And it doesn't have to be a terribly fine chop. It can be somewhat rustic or rough. And what we have is about 1/4 cup or more of cilantro and of mint. The mint actually came from my own garden. All right, and then we're going to finish dicing our watermelon. We only want about 1 inch or so square, maybe 1/2 inch. Really, it's up to you. Put that in the bowl with the watermelon. And of course, a seedless watermelon would be best for this recipe. They do still have seeds, but they're a lot less. All right. And now we're going to do 2 tablespoons of water in our bowl with our herbs and garlic and peppers. And we're going to do 3 tablespoons of lime juice. If you don't have limes, but you have lemons and you have all the other ingredients, go ahead and use lemon, that's fine. We just want some sort of basic citrus. All right, that's great, 3 tablespoons there. Then we want 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then we want this delicious ingredient called fish sauce. Doesn't smell that great, but it applies a nice balance to recipes. I'm just going to try to take the lid off instead of pouring it. It'll take forever. And we want about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce right into the same bowl. We're going to whisk that up. So we've got that delicious garlic in there. You can certainly use more garlic if you want. I think it's about, the recipe calls for 2 cloves or so. We've got 2 of the Thai chilies in there. The Thai chilies you can find in your international and Asian markets, and they keep well in the freezer and they do not lose their spice, their kick. All right, so we have the brown sugar, the fish sauce, the water, we have lime juice, and we have cilantro and mint, garlic and pepper. Now we're going to put it in our bowl of watermelon. I love a good refreshing salad, especially in summertime. It's pretty amazing how much we don't eat salads in the winter, but we do love them in the summer. We've got a nice color here going with the green and the red. Now, just like anything else, the longer you let it sit, the more the flavors will develop. But if you're hungry and don't want to wait, you don't have to. So let's pour it in our serving bowl. All right. Right. And there you have it, a delicious, refreshing watermelon salad to enjoy in these hot summer months. I'm Chef Tammy Brawley with The Green Kitchen. Join us next time on Heart of the Home.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com/recipes, as well as on Chef Tammy Brawley's website at greenkitchenrichmond.com.